Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Thank you for joining me for the second annual Christmas in July YouTube Pop featuring a collection designed by Frank Garcia. This year, all the designers in this hop will be using this paper pad or this collection called Christmas in the Country, which is designed by Frank. And if you guys have not seen this, it is absolutely gorgeous. It is a very country, rustic feel. And as you can see, I've used quite a bit of it to create my project. And before I show you what I created using this collection, throughout the duration of this hop, there will be a discount code if you want to head over to Frank's online store. And there will be some giveaways. So if you're interested in any of those, please make sure to stay till the very end of the video and I will go over all of that information. And make sure to check the description box for the information for the hop, as well as a link to all the designers participating in this hop. There will be a total of 6 of us. Make sure to hop along to each designer, and I am positive you will get some amazing inspiration from these really talented ladies. So let me go ahead and share with you what I created. So here is my project. I love the way that this came out. This is a stationery box. This is the first one that I've ever created. So let me go ahead and bring this up so you guys can see it. I created this box from some really heavyweight black cardstock. And as I open it up, I will share with you what I did. But I did double matte all the design paper. I also did ink the edges with it's some Delicata ink. So it has some shimmer. It's in the red. I think it's called Ruby Red. And I wanted this beautiful imagery all around the box. And then the lid here, let me go ahead and pull this off. Set this aside. I made a collage here up at the top left. I used some of the chipboard pieces from the collection, also the holly leaves. I basically cut them apart as well as the berries and kind of tucked them in and around the collage of these handmade poinsettias. I made 2 different kinds using the pattern paper, and I actually sprayed this entire cluster here with some matte like Krylon spray. And it kind of gave it this frosty look, which I was not expecting, but I love it. I also did add some Lawn Fawn Prisma glitter. That's why it is so sparkly. As well as some of the elements, I did use my Tonic Aqua Shimmer pen. And all these gems here are either from Lucy's Cards or Pretty Pink Posh, just to give it more sparkle. You guys know I love that. So when you open this up, hope you guys can see this. So up at the top here, there are some A2 size cards with envelopes. And then I have a pocket for some tags. This pocket holds some 3x3 note cards as well as envelopes. And then when you come down to the bottom here, I have a little pocket for some stamps to mail your cards, a little pen holder. I basically used some of the pattern paper inside this Pentel pen to customize it. And this is really snug. This pen is a little bit wider, but when I close it up, it still fits in. So the only thing with this notepad is that I didn't realize I pushed it up way too far up here. So I basically have to pull the cover down and kind of hold it in place so that I can put the lid back on. So I'll know that for next time. But this is just a cover, and I have the inside bottom matted with some more pattern paper, and this is just a notepad that I created, and it is able to tear off the sheets, so you can use it as a regular notepad. Like I mentioned, everything is matted, double matted, with red and then the pattern paper, which has been inked. So let me quickly show you the cards that I created. If you guys know me at all, I struggle with making cards, especially clean and simple ones. So these are the cards that I came up with. I did have to keep them relatively flat, but I could not help putting some bling on it. So I created this one. These snowflakes I got at the expo last year. And I just used a lot of the imagery from the collection to frame just a little portion of it. I didn't put any sentiments on the front, but you get the feel of what this card is for. On the points here, I put some Pretty Pink Posh pink gems. And then all the insides are stamped exactly the same. So this is a great gift to give any crafter or non-crafter. This is the next one. I did have to bring some of the pink out that's in the collection. I couldn't help myself. Again, on these points here are the Pretty Pink Posh gems. Same on the inside. There are a total of 5 cards, 5 tags, as well as 5 mini note cards. Here is the next one. These have the Lucy's cards, iridescent gems. I did also use some aqua shimmer pen on the white parts of his hat and beard. Here's the one with the deer. And some more gems. And then here is the last one. I love this buffalo check. And then I just have a scattering of the iridescent gems from Lucy's cards. So those are the A2 cards. Here are the tags. They are extremely simple, and I do still need to put the twine in these. And the way that these are made up here, I used a hexagon punch to punch this out. I had kind of messed up on the holes, and this was just my way of salvaging these tags so I didn't have to make them over. But I used various specialty cardstock to cut out different bunches of snowflakes. So each one has a different type of snowflake. And then I used a Lawn Fawn greeting set to just stamp different small greetings, and then used one of my dies to cut them out. These are really, really sturdy. These are chipboard tags, and I stamped a to and from on the back on each of these. So, like I mentioned, this makes a great gift set. Here are the 3x3 note cards. They are just all top folding. And I just kept them really simple. I can still go ahead and add a sentiment if I want to. But just like the Christmas cards, I think, you know, everyone's going to know what these are for. And then this one had this kind of open space on the right. So I took one of the cut aparts and just cut this phrase out and just kind of staggered it back and glued it back on. And then here are some cream envelopes for the 3x3 cards. I have a whole bunch of these, so this was a great time to use those. And then here are the white envelopes to go with the A2 cards. So let me go ahead and pull these out and show you. So this is what the inside looks like. I did matte everything, as you can see. And then here is the back. And all this paper on here makes the box extremely sturdy. So let me know what you guys think. So there you go. That is my project for Christmas in July using Frank Garcia's Christmas in the Country collection. So for the giveaways, there will be one main winner that will win a $50 gift certificate to Frank Garcia Studio. Thank you, Frank, for donating such an amazing prize. And to enter this giveaway, you must be a subscriber to all 6 designers' channels, leave a comment on each hop video, and give each video a thumbs up. And that's it. So it's really simple. Please make sure to lift your privacy settings so that I can verify you are a subscriber to all 6 of us. Otherwise, you will be disqualified. You will have until next Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to enter, and all the giveaway winners will be announced the following day on Sunday the 28th. And for my channel, I will be having a giveaway as well, and I will actually be giving away this stationery box that I created. So whoever wins this, you basically will be set for a lot of your Christmas gift giving, whether it be sending cards or little notes or packaging up any gifts and using these tags. So if you would like to be entered to win my particular giveaway on my channel, please make sure you are subscribed. And when you leave your comment, I would like you to use the word snowflake so that I know you would like to be entered. And again, check the description box for all the info that I mentioned. And I mentioned at the beginning of this video that Frank will be having a discount code. You will be able to save 15% during the duration of this hop. So it is good from now until July 27th, which is next Saturday. I will have that code on the screen as well as in the description box, so make sure to head on over. The link to a store will be down below as well. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this stop along this Christmas in July YouTube hop. Make sure to hop along and join in and get tons and tons of great ideas and inspiration and celebrate Christmas in July with us. Thank you guys so much again for stopping by, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone!